Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. First we use green color. The next one is blue color. Now we use black color. The next one is red color. Yellow ochre color. The last one is yellow color. First we draw the letter of A. And now we use green color. Kids, now we draw the letter of A. A for apple, A for ant. We again use green color and now we draw B. B for ball. The next one is C. C for cow. The next one is D. Now we draw the letter of D. D for dog, D for doll. Now we use blue color. Kids, the next one is E. E for elephant. Now we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. And the next one is 2. Now we draw the number of 3. We again use blue color. The next one is 4. Kids, now we draw the number of 5. The next one is 2D shapes. First we use black color and now we draw the shape of square. Kids, the next one is circle and now we use red color. Red color. The next one is triangle. Now we use yellow ochre color. The shape of triangle. Now we use yellow color. The shape of heart. Now we use blue color. The shape of star. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.